What's up guys, Master Ryu back at it again. So today guys, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm not opening up any Pokemon cards or anything like that. But today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about finances and the new rule that came up with it when it comes to taxes. So before we begin, I just want to clarify, I am not a tax advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, I am none of these things. So whatever I'm saying, I'm just here to just warn you guys and just let you guys know about the new rules that's coming out when it comes to taxes. So please do your own research and please talk to any of the actual qualified individuals before you make any decisions or before you do anything else. I'm just here to warn you guys about it. So back in 2021, the American Rescue Plan came out that pretty much gave us our third stimulus check. But in addition to, they also threw in a little surprise. So before, let me pull it up real quick. So payment card and third-party network transactions pretty much got changed. So before it used to be that if you sold anything, let's say for instance you sold something on eBay, and as long as it was under $20,000 and under 200 transactions, not saying that you shouldn't do your taxes, but I'm saying that eBay was not obligated to send anything to the IRS. So the government was pretty much relying on the individual to be responsible and do your taxes of anything that you actually earned. But it really wasn't like, I guess, necessarily proof in order to do it. So now that's pretty much changed, because now it's not $20,000 anymore. Now it's $600 with no matter how many transactions. So what's that mean for the hobby, right? So what's that mean for MetaZoo, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, video games, any other geek stuff out there? That pretty much means that if you are a reseller, you got to be careful about how you sell things and then making sure you document everything. Because if you make over $600 through an accumulation out the year, you are pretty much going to have to start paying taxes on it, even though if you didn't do it before. Now you're going to, because now they actually have documentation. That doesn't just apply to eBay, this applies to Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, or any of those other transactions, third-party transactions. So all those will now have to be, all information has to be sent up to the IRS if you make over $600. So what does that mean? So I guess throw like an example out there, because I like examples. So if, let's say you bought a MetaZoo Cryptonation First Edition box for retail price when it first came out for, let's say, $100, $100 or $150, and then you turn around and you sell it this year for $800, you made some money, right? So you made $700 or $650 if you sold, whatever. You made some money. So now that you reach over that $600 threshold, you're gonna get a statement, you're gonna get the 1099-K that says like, hey, you made this amount of money in the year 2022, and when you do your taxes in 2023, you need to pay taxes on it. You know what I mean? So you got to be very careful about how you're selling things, and like how much you actually should be paying, or if you actually lost money because you bought something and then for a high price and then you sold it because it went down in price. So now you lost money on it. So now they won't pretty much do anything if you lost money. But if you bought, I don't know, a Charizard card for $1,000 and then now it's selling for $500 or $600, so now you lost $400, but you still sold it for $600. So you still hit that $600 threshold. They don't know that. They don't know that you bought it for $1,000. So there are forms out there, and this is where I say talk to your tax advisors, please, about what you should do about that situation if you actually lost money, or if you sold something but realistically it wasn't, you didn't, for instance, like the MetaZoo box, you actually made $700 or $650 versus $800. Please talk to your financial advisor about that, because they'll be able to help you and assist you with that. So what's that pretty much mean is that if you're a reseller, please document everything, record everything, have your invoices ready, because if you end up selling things, it caught you off guard, and now you made $7,000 this year, and you thought, oh, it was under the $20,000, I don't need to worry about it. But realistically, yeah, you're gonna get a 1099-K, and it's gonna say you made $7,000 this year. You need to pay taxes on it. So be careful out there. Please be careful. You know, there are some ways you can kind of go around it, which is kind of if you use, I think PayPal has it where you can put like as a gift. Gift items will not be taxed. So if you meet up with somebody and you know they want to buy your items, right? And you're like, oh, it's $1,000, so they're gonna PayPal you $1,000, put down as a gift, so it won't be taxed. But you know, not saying you shouldn't do that, but you know, that's one way to kind of get around it. You know, I don't recommend it, but you know, that's what you can do. There's other ways too. You can go the old school way, which is cash. You know, you can go pull out $1,000, hand them cash, $1,000 cash, and then they receive your item. Or whatever. You know, if they're buying it off of you, they receive. You know, you get $1,000, and then you hand them your items, and you know, there's no paper trail there really. So that's one way you kind of get around doing that stuff. Please be cautious. Please be careful. Do what you need to do. Me personally, the government can, you know, I don't feel like they spend their money wisely anyways, and we all know they are greedy, and they are going to use that money unwisely. They're going to buy things or use that money for unnecessary items, unnecessary things that, you know, I was like, what are you buying? Like, why are you spending our tax-paying money on this stuff? This is dumb. Or they're gonna get greedy and put it in their own pockets. We all know they can do it. We all know they know how to work around that system to make it happen. So, you know, I say, hey, look, if I made a couple grand in a year, slap that hand away. Government, you know, get your hands out of my cookie jar, because you already have enough damn money. You know, I need this for, you know, you don't spend it wisely, I will spend it the way I need to spend it for my use. You know what I mean? Like, I will make sure, you know, I need to help pay for school, or I'm struggling a little bit this month, I need some extra cash. You know, my car broke down, I need some cash for food, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need this cash. Or if you're an individual who likes to buy, let's say you buy Pokemon items, you open up the boxes and then you sell some things to help recoup some of what you lost, and then you use that money to buy more things. Well, if you keep doing that through, let's say, eBay or PayPal, and you're not putting down that is as a gift, or, you know, if you're selling all that things, to be honest with you, it's, you know, you're gonna get taxed on that. So be careful, please be careful, be wise about how you're doing things. You know, this is just Master Ryu talking to you guys. So that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe. If I missed anything, please say it down in the description. If you agree with it or disagree with it, please say it down in the description. But if anything else, just please be careful out there, guys. That's pretty much it. If you want to see any other videos, there are other videos out there that kind of talk about this, that would assist you and help you. Please see those. But like I said, I'm not really here to do anything else besides just warn you guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Please like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. See you.